everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room, and today we are going to take 5 fat quarters that I purchased in a little bundle at Walmart, some batting, and we're going to make mug rugs and pot holders. Today is the first day of Vlogmas. Now my intention is to have a little project or a bigger project every day for the first 12 days of December. Now don't forget, I'm also involved in the 12 days of Quiltmas, and on day 4, which is December 4th, I will be premiering my ugly quilt. So stay tuned, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and listen for my word in order for you to be able to win that quilt. You also need to get the words from the first 3 of the 12 days of Quiltmas videos, and then the following, and I'm not going to do the math, up to the 12th day of Christmas. So let's get started on our project. My ruler is 8.5 inches, so I'm going to measure over 8 inches from my straight edge. And I will save the rest of the fabric for another project. Here I have 8 inches. I need 5 8-inch squares for this project. So I'm going to use my straight edge, get rid of my selvage, and then I will measure over 8 more inches. So I have my 5 squares. I also need an 8-inch square of batting. So I'm going to cut an 8-inch square of this. I now have everything I need for this project. I'm going to fold each square wrong sides together, corner to corner, and press. I've got my iron right over near me, so I'll go ahead and just press all of these. Step 2 complete. Now I did leave one piece of fabric flat because I believe that is going to go on the back. Each triangle will lay on top of the previous triangle. So here I have my first triangle, then my second triangle will go over the top of the first. Then this triangle will go over. The last triangle will be tucked under the first triangle. So I'll lay the last triangle this way, but I will tuck it under the first triangle. Lay cotton batting flat on the table. Place leftover square on fabric on top of the batting, right side up. You need to put this on top of your batting. And then place your squares. And Oliver's here to say hi. So you want 3 layers. 1 layer with your pot holder, 1 layer with your backing, and your backing wrong side will be what is touching the batting. Pin the 3 layers around the outside edge. Now we are going to stitch a 1/4 inch from the edge all the way around the pot holder. I'm going to start in the corner, 1/4 inch seam. Right here at the corner, don't cut the seam, trim the corner. Now Maxine is here to help us with the big reveal. All right, you ready? You just reach in and turn it right side out. And how awesome is that? You have a nice hot pad. Then you can use a decorative stitch to stitch down your edges so that your batting isn't exposed. And it's 2-sided. Here is the finished pot holder, and it has some decorative stitching on it. And then I also made some mug rugs. Now these you use 4-inch pieces of fabric and batting, and you do the exact same thing that you do when you make a pot holder. So these can be quick little gifts. You can use fat quarters that you already have, and you don't have to use Christmas fabric. You can use whatever fabric it is that you like. Now if you notice, I'm going to show you close up. I didn't do a really fun decorative stitch. I just used a little bitty zigzag and used that stitch in order to close up these loose edges of the project right after you flip it inside out, right side out, right side out. So you do want to do some stitching. It doesn't have to be decorative, but it can be. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Merry Vlogmas. Bye. Even when I try to read the directions, I get them wrong.